This is a very simple switch case, and you may also usually use when you are using React, Vue JS, or Angular. And you can see this switch cases is that when you place an apple here, it will turn out a red color. And if you input a banana, it will turn out a yellow. And if you input something else, it will print out the other colors. It works fine. And the problem is that when you are using let instead of var, you may encounter this problem. It said the identifier color has already been declared. But what can you do? The problem is because let is block scoping. In order to deal with this problem, we have to add a bracket here. Now, as you can see, the program is working fine again by adding the bracket at these two cases.